In this video, I will give you detailed comparison between affiliate marketing and dropshipping and show you that which business model is best for you. So watch the full video till the end. So in any business, there are five main elements that you need to focus on, which is product creation, marketing, sales, fulfillment and customer service. So now I will show you how much percentage you need to give in these five elements in affiliate marketing as well as in dropshipping. So first of all, I will talk about what is affiliate marketing and what is dropshipping. So in affiliate marketing, you don't need to create any product or service. You don't need to deal with any product fulfillment or customer service, and you just need to focus 100% on marketing, right? And in a dropshipping, you will make money by flipping the products. In dropshipping, suppose you source the product from China and sell into USA by making your own dropshipping store, and you will make money in between. So now I will show you how much percentage of your time you need to give in these five elements of business. So first, product creation. So in affiliate marketing, you can start selling today, because in affiliate marketing, you don't need to create any product or service. Your affiliate partner will create a product or service and you just need to market that. So in affiliate marketing, you don't need to give any time to create a product. Now in a dropshipping, you need to give at least 6 weeks to create or source. So if you are doing a drop shipping, then you need to give at least 6 weeks of your time to source a product from China and do all the other things. So in that case, affiliate marketing is better than drop shipping. Now, if we talk about marketing, then affiliate marketing, you need to give 100% on marketing. And marketing is the money producing activity in any business. And in a drop shipping as well, you can give your 100% of time on marketing once you give your time to source the products. Now, if we talk about sales, then affiliate marketing, you don't need to give any of your time to sell, because your affiliate partner will handle all the other things. So it's important that you need to partner with a good product that have a good sales team. So you don't need to sell anything by yourself, and your affiliate partner will handle all the other things. So in affiliate marketing, you need to give 0% of your time in sales. But if you talk about dropshipping, then you need to give 20% of time in sales, because in dropshipping you are selling products by your own. So you need to do all the things by yourself. So you need to give at least 20% of your time in sales. So if you give your 20% of time in sales, then in a marketing, now you only have 80% of time instead of 100%. But in affiliate marketing, you can still give 100% of your time in money producing activity, which is marketing. So in that case, affiliate marketing is good for you. Now, if I talk about fulfillment, then affiliate marketing, you don't need to deal with any type of fulfillment, and your affiliate partner will handle all the other things. So in affiliate marketing, you need to give 0% of your time in fulfillment. But if I talk about dropshipping, then you need to give at least 30% of your time in fulfillment, because you are selling the products by your own. So you need to deal with inventory, maintenance and everything. So it will take at least 30% of your time. So now in dropshipping, you only have 50% of your time to give in the marketing. But in affiliate marketing, you can still give 100% of your time in marketing. So in that case, affiliate marketing is the best business model for you. And now if I talk about customer service, then still in affiliate marketing, you don't need to give any of your time in customer service, because your affiliate partner will handle the customer service for you. But if I talk about dropshipping, then again you need to give at least 10% of your time in customer service, because in dropshipping, if you sell any product to your customer, and if your customer have any problem, then they will directly reach out to you and you need to give reply to their emails. So it will take 10% of your time. So now in a dropshipping, you can give only 40% of your time in marketing. And in affiliate marketing, you still have 100% of your time to give in the marketing, which is the number one money producing activity. So you can see in this breakdown, in affiliate marketing, you can give 100% of your time in marketing, and your affiliate partner will handle all the other things like sales, fulfillment and customer service. And also you don't need to create any product or service in affiliate marketing. But if you do dropshipping, then you need to give at least 6 weeks of your time to source the product. And in a marketing, you can only give 40% of your time. And in a sales, you need to give at least 20% of your time. Same as fulfillment, you need to give at least 30% of your time in dropshipping. And again in customer service, you need to give at least 10% of your time. So now you only have 40% of your time to give in the marketing, which is the number one money producing activity in any business. So by this breakdown, you can easily see that affiliate marketing is the best business model for you if you are a beginner. And if you are only working by yourself, then you don't have lots of time to give in all the 5 aspects of the business. But if you do dropshipping, then you need to have a team to do all the things by yourself. So if you don't have lots of money to start, then also affiliate marketing is the best business model for you. So now if you want to start affiliate marketing, then you can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. In that I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. I will show you which product I'm promoting. I will show you how I build my funnel as well as my email automation. So if you want to get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. And once you go to the link in the description below, then you will see the page like this. And here I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping without any experience creating products, carrying inventory or dealing with customers. So if you want to get instant access, then click here and then you will see the pop-up like this. Once you enter your name and email address and click here, then you will see the page like this. So here I told you that how you can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, and also I talk about the product that I am promoting. So if you are a new affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start a 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer. It will show you how you can build your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days. So if you are interested, then click the button below this video, and once you click here, you will see the page like this. So here you can watch the short presentation from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp, and he will explain everything that you will get inside the 15-day business builder challenge. And this challenge is only for $7. So once you watch the free presentation, then click here and then you will go to the checkout page, and then you can get access of the 15-day business builder challenge. And this challenge is the same challenge that I started with. So if you are a new affiliate marketer, you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, then start with the challenge. You will find the link in the description below. And once you enter your name and email address here, then you will get the email from Harshil and Praxal. And once you open that email, and inside the email I have one link. Once you open that link, then here you can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So now if you have any question related to this video, then comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.